Now it's recording. Don't push the silver button again. Do you want me to hold it? Alright, I think that was the end.
Hey, but you made me miss my shot. I'm not very happy because you made me miss my shot. I'm going now.
Great job, great fireworks, the best thing.
Hey, give me that camera.
Ladies and gentlemen,
That's my camera.
If you're ready to end the movie, then you push the silver button again.
But will it still be saved?
Yeah, if you push the button, then it will save whatever we've recorded so far.